Welcome back to Autosport Designs, Lotus Motorcars of Long Island. Today, we're going to be looking at this 2014 Lotus Evora. It's an IPS, extremely low mileage, beautiful Ardent Red exterior. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our 2014 Lotus Evora. It's a 2+2. It's Ardent Red, black interior, has heated seats, performance package, technology package, beautiful red stitching throughout, red piping on the seats. We'll do a little cold start here, stick the key in, turn the key on, shut the immobilizer off. She fires right up as you'd expect. Great simplistic dash layout, tachometer, speedometer. You got your tire pressure monitoring going there. You can see the temp gauge is down, range, outside temperature. Again, it's an IPS, so you have simple controls here. Put it in drive, put our seatbelts on, and we'll warm her up. All right, so we have a little temperature in our 2014 Evora 2+2 IPS car. 12,100 miles from new. Great little driving car, really nice throughout, no rattles or squeaks, dead straight. Upgraded radio in this car as well. Nice little horn, you got cruise control, heated seats. Heated seats are very good on a day like today. Great thing about this IPS, currently we have it in sport mode, but you always have the paddle shifts, and this is one of those great design cars where the paddles go with the steering wheel, so you never have to take your hands off the wheel. You can paddle shift right where your hands are. Great braking too, really nice driver-oriented car. Great feedback, great feel, handles really well, so responsive. Yet, you could go run errands, get ice cream, take it for a ride, spirited drive, or a regular kind of drive. The IPS makes it even better. You can keep both hands on the wheel. So we'll come up here and we'll take her through the S's a little bit for you. All right, here we are up to the S's. We're in sport mode. Wow, handling really good, really, really nice. Very responsive. Again, very driver oriented, these Evoras. Great feedback and just so usable. Looks like nothing else. Beautiful Ardent Red with the black interior, especially with the red stitching and red piping. So nice, such a good combination. We're gonna come up here and we'll do some flybys for you. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. If you could tell the smile on my face there, but the Evora chassis are so good. When they first came out in 2010, they were so well received because of the balance, the feedback, the feel that you get, and the evolution. This is a 14, so a couple upgrades into the 14, and really feel it. Such a great, fun car to drive, easy to drive. but very responsive and definitely no slouch. Very well optioned, low mileage, again, 12,000 miles. Great color combination, Ardent Red. Beautiful black interior, red stitching, red piping on the seats. Tech package, which adds to a reverse camera. And the upgraded radio, Bluetooth. It's so nice. So we're going to come up here to the farm road. Let's see if we make the light, which we probably will. And we'll put her through her paces a little bit here. All right, so here we are. Farm road, straight away. We're going to open her up a little bit. Pulls so nice. Again, really nice car. Throw it in sport mode here as well. Little extra throttle response. Raises the RPMs. Fuel and ignition mapping. Really nice little car. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Like and subscribe, comment below, and thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.